Welcome to Miracle Online Tutorial. Now let's find x in this exponential equation. This is x raised to the power of log 4 base 3 then equals 16. So how do we go about it? First of all, let us look at this rule in logarithm that says if you have a raised to the power of a log, let's say of b base c. Now this also can be the base here, and the argument of the log can interchange, so we can still have it as c raised to the power of log a base b. Okay, now if this is true, let us apply this law to the left hand side of this equation. So the whole of the left hand side will now become, if we are to swap x for 4, we have 4 raised to the power of x base 3 then equals to what? 16. Okay, now looking in here, now you will see here we have a base of 4 and here we have a base of what? 16. Now you can actually change this base of 16 to 4, and take note that will give us 4 raised to the power of 2, because 4 times 4 will give us 16. Now that we have the same base for this equation, we can just eliminate. Then we have log x base 3 equals what? 2. Now we can actually convert this to an exponent. Now when you have log a base b equals what? C. Okay, for us to convert this into an exponent, what we just need to do is our argument here will now become the base, then equals, now the base here, okay, will also become the base, while the c will become the exponent to the base b. So here we have b raised to the power of what? C. Okay, now if that's true, so we can come here now, you can see that this argument, which is for x here, we now bring it down, then equals, now the base here, which is 3 here, now become the base at this point at the right hand side, and our c here will become what? The exponent. So our 2 will become the exponent. Okay, so our x will now become what? 9, because 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. So this is the solution to the exponential equation. If you love what I've just done, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.